Question answer of chapter 3rd, safety and first aid. Let's start. Define the following in one word. A twist in the joint of the ankle or the wrist. Answer is sprain. Now question number 2, that is a strip of rigid material used for supporting and immobilizing a broken bone. Answer is splint. Now come to question 3rd, the immediate help provided to an injured person before the arrival of proper medical aid. Answer is first aid. Now come to next, that is a tight bandage that help to apply pressure to stop bleeding. Answer is tourniquet. Now come to give short answer questions. What is the main cause of fire? Answer, air is the main cause of fire. Question 2, what types of cloth should be worn in the kitchen? Answer, cotton cloth should be worn in the kitchen. Now next one, how should a chemical burn be treated? Answer, in case of chemical burn, remove the cause of burn, flush the chemical off the skin with cool running water for at least 10 minutes. Okay. Now question number 4, which disease can be caused by a cat or a dog bite? Answer, rabies disease can be caused by a cat or a dog bite. Now, how is sprain identified? Answer, a sprain is a twist in the ankle or the wrist. The joint swells up and is very painful. Now come to next one, long answer type questions. What should be done in case a person's clothing catches fire? Answer, if person's clothing catches fire, roll on the ground. If blanket or rug is available, rolling up in it. Now come to next question. What is fracture? What should be done in case of fracture? Answer, when we get a crack in any bone, we called it a fracture. In case of fracture, don't move fractured part, use a sling or splint, and we should go to the doctor. Now come to next question, that is what first aid can be provided in case of major wound? In case of major wound, wash the area with water and press with cotton. Use tourniquet and apply antiseptic cream. Now come to next question, what are the symptoms of fractured part of the body? Answer is, the common symptoms of fracture are swelling of the part, pain, difficulty in moving the part, and skin darkening at the place of fracture. Question 5. Reena was participating in a dance competition. Suddenly her ankle twisted and swelled. What first aid can be provided in such situation? Answer, in such situation, Reena should be take first aid like rest the injured limb, soak the sprained joint first in cold water, then in hot water. That's all. Thank you.